Kick assets. Cha-ching. That's good. Yeah, for the price. It was originally 5 million yen. Before they just reduced it to 3. And I was trying to see what I can get them down. If I get them down lower. So he's like, you got nothing to lose. You can try.
Yeah. So you can only say no.
No, that's right. So I was gonna, if you want to make an offer, I was gonna start at 2 million.
Okay.
And see if they came back at 2.5. But a lot of times Japanese just take your offer. Sometimes they counter, sometimes they just say no. It's kind of weird like that. They don't haggle here.
No.
They don't understand what that is. They take your offer very seriously. That's why it's hard to lowball here, like really lowball, unless you come back with a huge reason. Anton, I get home and my friend messages me. He says, "Have you seen this guy's videos? He's doing stuff like you're doing." Click on it. It's Anton. I'm like, and I sent him a picture. Yeah, I just met him today. He's like, what the? it's like, this stuff is fake. It's not real. I can't write it. The mountains over there. Love that. Oh, I can't wait to bike ride. So, how many? Question for you guys. How many times have you been to Japan? 18 you're counting. Yeah. 18 times, and what's over what period? 25 years?
Yeah, 25
years. That's awesome.
It would have been more, but there was a big thing called the pandemic.
Oh, there was? We didn't have that here. We were actually free, unlike you guys. I watched you guys on the news all the time. You guys were a locked down city, man. Holy crap, my friend was so pissed.
Melbourne was the lockdown city of Australia.
Yeah, of the world. Shot. はい、お願いします。あ、give you a card.
堀木です。お願いします。
堀木。
こちらです。
はい、こちらですね。
ここからここが入り口の道路ですね。
あ、じゃあじゃあこっちは？
別です。
あ、別？
うん、別です。
はい、じゃあこれ車止めていいですか？
あ、そうです。ここに車止めれますね。
はい。
Why is it?
Hello?
Huh? Who are you talking to? Oh, phone. ごめん、今電話で言ってる。Huh?
Anyone that calls me man.
Okay. Welcome.
I don't remember this one. From the front.
Me neither.
この奥はまた別なんです。ここだけ。
はい？
あの奥は違う人の家で、
ああ、
ここだけです。
ここだけ。I don't remember this one.
I don't remember this one. Have we got the right house?
I don't know. Do we?
I don't think so.
We'll find out when we're inside, I guess.
Hang on. We're supposed to be at number 3, aren't we?
Yeah, I believe so.
Hang on.
Well, let's get a view first. Is this the right one? Oh, shit. The day I have a broken leg, I have to jump up.
Yeah, crisscross.
Oh, my goodness.
You alright?
Yep, made it.
Jen wanted to do this. お家の間取りですね。
I was going to take a look at the layout. Here we are. This is house number 2. Welcome. On our trip. Or whatever order I decide to put these up.
I really don't remember this.
What's that? Yeah, me neither. Okay, because you can see how the difference in the level of the sand walls here. This one's a lot more or less taken care of. It's not ripped replaced. And oh, it's actually a real sand wall.
Yeah.
It'll come off if you paint it. So I usually wallpaper it, but you can. There's many ways to deal with that. But it can be fixed. It's not a big deal. I've renovated houses like this many times. It really depends on what you like. This was on the list? Hey, check the list. It'd be funny if it's the wrong. This is house number 2? Or is it? Shit, that's funny.
We're supposed to be house number 3, aren't we?
Yes.
No, I didn't think so.
This is an older house. That's a weird lamp. Wow. Well, I don't want to fall through with a broken leg on here.
I showed her the picture and this is not the house.
Yeah, this is not the house at all. Because we would have noticed this right away in the pictures.
Yeah. So, do you want to see if she can take us to that house?
Yeah, of course. That is bizarre. That old balcony. At least you can get a comparison. What I was explaining earlier, you can see the difference in the similar houses, but ones that are less taken care of.
This is the 15. Oh, hang on. This is the 15 million one. No, I'll show you the 15 million one.
This is
Which one are we supposed to be at?
this right here with the number 3. Okay, so it is correct.
Yeah.
Because I labeled it in my phone. I labeled it in my phone as 3.5.
No, it's the one without photos.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yep.
that's the one without photos.
Oh shit. Let's take a quick picture of it. It's alright. I get.
I can tell you that. No.
The time out here is shrinking. It's weird. I've never seen a gap between the time out before like that.
It's okay.
So like what I was explaining earlier, I tell you I've seen many properties, the night and day difference between one that's well kept and well kept. Now you understand. This is perfectly to see that example. Because I've dealt with all levels. This level is okay if I'm going to just rent it out and I'm going to change it to all nice new wallpaper. But if you want the old style feeling, that last house is prime shape. Yeah. It's like, that for me when I walked in, like, whoa.
This is a 60s feel.
Yeah. Well, it's just...
Retro 60s.
Yeah, it's just, and bad combination of things and not well kept. It's just a lot of bad things. But a lot of properties I see, like the one we saw earlier, that's... They're not as common.
No. Look, you don't see them, you don't know.
You don't know, that's correct.
Yeah.
There's a random sink.
Yeah, I know. There's no bath.
Oh, where's the bath?
There's none.
What?
I haven't seen no bath. Where is it? Found it.
No, there is a bath. I saw it. It's brown.
Oh,
Yeah, I did see it.
yeah. No wonder I walked past it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
結構空いてるんですかこの物件。
空いてる。
何年間空いてるんですかここ。
5年。
5年？
5年だけど、
はい
その前5年前から
はい
売ってます。
5年前から売っていますか、全然売れてないんですね。She said it's been on the market for 5 years.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a long time.
長いね。もともとの金額いくらだったかな。
もともとは
はい。
500万ぐらい。
はい。This is the only thing that looked like it was upgraded during the time they had the house. This is like maybe 80s style or 90s style washroom, so.
But even then, it doesn't look that old.
Really? この何年この物件 1970ぐらい
1968年。
68 68
56年経ってま
Yeah,
す。
you can tell.
Yeah.
Mid-century modern.
Yeah, it's 60s, 70s is well a lot of houses I work on, but this one's got a lot more these walls. 低い低い
低いかな。
低いだよねこれ。
みたいですけど、
うん
実渡らないですね。
何それ古いねこれ。
エアコンかな。
Aircon? There's something in the heater in the washer mirror? That's old school. I've never seen this before. Jeez, it took me. Yeah, it's because it's cold here. When you're taking a shit, you want to warm up your bum.
No, that's what the seated heat's for.
Yeah, well, they didn't have that.
Heater's for.
That's before that, I guess.
Yeah.
This is a nice picture here, like that. I mean, it's got some good points.
Got
But I
some
guess,
good points.
yeah.
But it's the vibe's just wrong.
Yeah.
I think this spoiled with number one.
Yeah, I know. I already knew that right away when I walked in. It was a given. I don't bullshit, so it's not like I couldn't do something with this house magically to change it into something. It's just it wouldn't have the same vibe
No,
that you're looking for.
for us, it's just not right.
No, I don't feel. It's I understand.
It's also the location.
Yeah. 大変だね。あっち何ですか？あれ？じゃあこれもう見たんだっけ？私は覚えてない。ああ見たかもね。微妙古い給湯器ですね。
そうなんです。なんで、お水、お湯、ちゃんと出るかもうわからない。確認をしないと。
Is the other apartment house?
Yeah, the other house.
Oh wow. Weed sheets. All right. Okay. I guess I'm hidden. They probably can't build a new house. Well, for the price, you can, at least you can rebuild it. ありがとうございます。お疲れ様です。はい。Thank you.
Appreciate it.
微妙。